wants even more out of his opponent.
This isn't the smartest thing to do. Antagonizing your opponent instead of attacking. Oh, and an inadvertent shot hits the referee. Our official just took a big hit.
Oh, come on. Let's keep it clean in there.
Ooh, bad aiming there as the ref takes a blow.
Look at her stumble back up. Probably seeing double vision.
Okay, already, we get it.